Shoulder injuries, very common injuries because shoulder joint gives maximum mobility at the cost of stability because it is one joint which has got maximum 360-degree movement, because of which the stability is compromised. What do you mean by compromising in stability? There are three basic injuries which I am going to stress upon. One is shoulder dislocation, very common, frequently happen. And what happens in shoulder dislocation? The ball moves or comes out of the socket and then patient will be in tremendous pain. Shoulder dislocation means the capsule of the shoulder joint lining would be torn and the ball of the shoulder joint will comes out of the socket. So that needs to be operated, stitched back through a keyhole surgery, which gives fantastic results, and the patients can get back to normalcy and even resume sporting career in 6 months' time after undergoing rehabilitation process. That is one. The second thing is the rotator cuff. Patient usually comes with complaints of difficulty in throwing the ball. They usually, you might see in the sports that they will be throwing underarm, they will not be throwing overarm. When there is a problem throwing overarm, usually there is a rotator cuff injuries. Those kind of people, we do MRI scan and then we'll identify the tear, and then that tear can be repaired successfully with a keyhole surgery, and then their strength will come and the pain will go, and then they can get back to normal sports. This is one of the common thing. And the third thing is the impingement syndrome. Patient usually says that when I am going to reach my head and I am reaching the opposite shoulder, after certain angle, there will be pain. These are all very, very common and simple sports injuries which will be usually treated with physiotherapy, medicines, rest and rehabilitation by strengthening the shoulder joint muscles, which will give tremendous results. And shoulder injuries, you don't have to worry. We got very good treatment regimes to make your shoulder functional in a pain-free manner even after treatment.